parang sobrang, alam mo yun, nagdidinig yung tawa, yung mga iyak na lang, or basta mga comments yung lahat, nagdidinig namin ganyan. So, ako natuwa ako personally.
Yeah, definitely, like, we just wanted to bring a story that people could relate to. And I hope, have you guys related to the movie?
Yes, Marco!
Sometimes with the projects you have, you feel cringe and imagine proud. But with this one, I'm definitely super proud of it. Really happy about it.
Okay, and for that, kasi I'm just wondering, saan sila nagtabi?
Isa natin, sequel to. So, let's hope for the best. If it does well, I hope for the sequel. Kasi alam pa lang kwento na pwede puntahan. May lapse of 2 years in my future pa. So, sana.
Ako alam ko kung saan sila nagkape. Doon sa Mulat Dilaw. Mulat Dilaw.
Mulat Dilaw.
Sa McDo din.
Alright, for the next question, we have Falcon Yawa, TikTok creator and influencer.
Thank you, team. First and foremost, congratulations, Direk, and to the cast. Sobrang galing yung grabe. Akala ko, kung i-base ko yung poster itself, parang napaka-light lang. But no, sobrang lalim pala talaga ng movie din at sobrang heavy. But Direk, mabilis ang question kasi parang may hanging question na yung last part. May part 2 kaya?
Yes!
That depends on you guys, on how much you make noise and how much this gets across as much as possible. I love to the part of heaven. I think marami pang pwedeng kwento sa characters ko na. So, ayun. Yeah. And I love that.
May title na tayo para sa part 2 kasi marami akong dito sinulat.
We're looking forward for that. And for Marvin, may sindan parang hindi siya scripted, yung parang nagtanong ka, parang ang sarap ng balls mo. Parang totoo, naramdaman ko yung tawa nyo doon. Hindi kinain.
Kasi siguro 20% ng script or ng buong movie, parang sila binibigyan niya kami ng freedom to improvise. So, basta na yung context, maalala namin for the next shot. Ganun yung nangyari. So, yes, actually, yung isa sa mga favorite scenes ko, yung kwek-kwek, kasi sobrang natural nung character.
Oh, wow. No, it was fun. It was definitely like the fact that gave us the freedom to play with the lines and a lot of the scenes that were ad-libs in it, and I think that's what made it in a way natural, just because it was freeing and it wasn't stick to the script. Even the fight,
Right.
you guys noticed the sweat. Yeah, it was 3 hours long because of the different shots, but yeah, I love that improv kind of thing.
I agree. We felt that your genuine reaction sa film, sa scene na yun. And lastly, my last question, paano kayo nag-prepare sa heavy scene? Grabe yun, ang tindi nun.
I used to not do this, but then having talked in a way where kapag may heavy scene kami, tapos hindi ko hindi niya talaga ako kakausapin. Like, as in, she's gonna start acting mad towards me, or lagi ka lang ako nagugulat kasi, shit, ano yun ako? May sinabi ba ako naman, tapos siya yung sequence kayo, okay, you know, alam ko na. But, yeah, definitely, we have a way how to get ourselves into the moment, and we're just, you know, she gets all closed up, automatic earphones, and you know, I would just start thinking how would it feel to lose up, and it just adds up.
How about you, Heaven? Yung sa sine.
Ako po kasi, favorite ko yung mga scene. So, for me naman, as long as alam ko yung nangyayari yung storya, doon ako nakakamugot. Pero malaking factor din na ginagawa ko with Marco. Just because kilala namin yung isa't isa. And yung mga away na yun, parang naging tayo na, alam yung kaya namin makapalate, kumbaga. And so, may makuhugudan ako. Siyempre, ang ano yan, disipuluhan. It's about knowing na komportable kayo sa isa't isa para lumabas yung vulnerability. And I'm just so glad na I could do it with Marco. And of course, with the at the time na sobrang patient niya sa amin. Binibigyan talaga kami ng panahon, kumbaga, na to get into character. Kasi, ano lang to, di ba parang one take? Yes, one take lang to eh. Marami ng shots pero one take. So, yeah.
Thank you so much and congratulations. Thanks, Steve.
Thank you very much. That was Falcon Yawa, a TikTok content creator and influencer. And next we have CJ Guada of CJ Says Vlog.
Hi guys. So, congratulations sa pala sa movie. And it was a fun movie. My question is for Sir Stanley, Derek, Kevin, Marco, and even ikaw, James. Posible bang malinlang ang katabihan sa series? Sir Stanley.
Oo naman. Oo naman.
Paano po mag-over despite the distance and the traffic?
Kaya yung ginawa na nag-living.
It's always possible na naman ako and I know a few seats. So a lot of sacrifices, but also community issues.
Yeah. You know, now maybe like a couple years ago, just because they weren't their phones, but now it's like, wow, if you love somebody, you make it work. Doesn't matter where, doesn't matter how, you know. You sacrifice, you put in your time, you do everything for it. That should be your priority.
Totoo naman. Naisip ko rin ngayon na kahit nga hindi QC alam eh. Kahit galing akong trabaho, dahil sobrang pagod na pagod, like 18 hours of work, pupuntahan ko pa rin ako mahal ko. Hindi pa rin kami dahil ang pagod na. So, alam mo yun, like, ang ending na naman is gano'n ko mahal.
Baka ito,
And love knows no boundaries.
Yeah.